In the state of Texas, what's the difference between a DWI and a DUI? Generally, a DWI in the state of Texas is for folks who are over the age of 21, and a DUI is the similar offense for those who are minors. In the state of Texas, to prove that you were driving while intoxicated, DWI, the state's going to have to prove one of two things. Either that you had lost the normal use of your mental or physical faculties through the introduction of drugs or alcohol, or that you had a blood alcohol concentration of 0.08 or higher. With the DUI, someone who's under the age of 21, presence of any alcohol is sufficient to prove that crime. Did you know that in the state of Texas, it is not a defense to driving while intoxicated, that the drugs that you were on that had you intoxicated were over-the-counter drugs or even legally prescribed to you? It's true. Whether or not the drugs you took prior to driving while intoxicated were legal or even prescribed doesn't matter in the courtroom. In Texas, there is no legal excuse for voluntary intoxication. And if you've taken medicine that's prescribed to you, which has caused you to be intoxicated, that's voluntary intoxication.
Why you gonna tell me not to drink and drive when a fucking six-pack fits in this shit perfectly, but it don't make it make sense?
As long as those bottles stay closed, no crime is being committed in the state of Texas, so get in where you fit in, right? In the state of Texas, it's not illegal to drink and then drive. Drink and then drive. That's not illegal in the state of Texas. In the state of Texas, it is illegal to drive while intoxicated. There is a difference. You can go to a bar, you can go to Ojos Locos, ogle the girls, have some beers, have some shots, and then drive home, so long as you're not intoxicated. Drinking and then driving is perfectly legal. That's why restaurants that serve alcohol have parking lots. That's why bars that serve alcohol have parking lots, so that you can go, you can have some drinks, and then go home. The law says nothing about drinking and then driving. The law says you cannot drive while intoxicated, which means that either your blood alcohol concentration is 0.08 or higher in the state of Texas, or through the use of alcohol and drugs, you have lost the normal use of your mental or physical faculties. If that's not the case, it's perfectly legal to drink and then drive. What happens to my car after I get arrested for DWI? In most cases, your car is going to be towed from the scene to an impound lot. In order to get your vehicle out of the impound lot, you're gonna have to go down there, you're gonna have to pay them a fee, and you're gonna have to prove that you actually own this vehicle, which means you're going to need a title or a registration with your name on it. You'll also have to give them a proof of insurance. And something that I learned the hard way, if your registration sticker is expired, they're not gonna let you drive your vehicle out of the lot. Instead, you're gonna have to hire a tow truck to tow your vehicle out of the lot back to your house.